Think you figured out my world? You believe you know me? Well, here's the stats for your girl. I was raised in the slums, equivalent to the bums. They wanted something better. People told me why bother. My mama worked hard and I never had a father. Remember those days running out of hot water? Last for a couple hours, bowl in the microwave to take a quick shower. Remember my mama always saying, Zaire, good belt. After a while, just the fist is the thing that I felt. I remember it was hard fitting in. And when a box cutter first hit my bright skin, I mean, that was the reason, bro. I wasn't dark enough. Said I thought I was superior to those who was talking tough. So I learned to fight. I was cooking fast. I was nice. The nice girls finished last. When I grew up, I learned to keep check. Most importantly and memorably, I gained my respect. I ended in 8th grade. After 3 years, my father caught me practically in tears. He said he was sorry. I gave him a little pass. But like I said from the start, nice girls finished last. I was an infidel, undefined. I didn't have a God, I needed a sign. I was loving hard, thought I was ugly. I had a longing for a man to just love me. What was wrong? Why was I here? I started writing and suddenly it was clear. So I hit the books and kept my heart beating. And since then I've never ever stopped reading. And then the music is the air that I breathe. I play piano and guitar and I watch Jeopardy. I'm a huge cornball. I hate the beach and Rabbit Lakes and I never add sugar when I eat cornflakes. I love when I'm asleep. I hate people in my zone. I enjoy peace and quiet and I'd rather be alone. I'm a Muslim, fluent in Arabic. I don't speak. But even the people who know me couldn't have told you I was so deep. Thank you.